What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are we today? Hope you guys are doing good. So today we are going to be doing this lamination eyebrow kit. So I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok or on Instagram doing this trend, and it's a trend with your eyebrows where you basically get them to stick up and it looks really cool, and like a lot of models will wear this kind of look. So I thought, I want to be a model, I want to try it out. So I bought this kit off of Amazon. I will link it below, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try today. This is everything that came in the kit. It has these instructions right here and this little paper showing you what to do. And then inside it has all these little eyebrow spoolies and these under eye patches. And then finally you get into this part, which is all the lotions and potions, which we are going to jump right into right now. So the instructions say that the first step is to do this little cleanser right here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna take a tissue, open this up, and get my eyebrows all cleansed. All right, those look pretty cleansed to me. So we're gonna go ahead and go on to the second step. Use a clean micro brush to apply lift solution and then let it set for 8 to 13 minutes. Then you're supposed to cover it with plastic wrap. Okay, so I have the lift solution right here and I have the micro brush. So we're gonna apply this lift serum. Ew, it literally smells so bad. Do not smell that. I don't know why I just did that. But we are going to fully coat our eyebrows. So that is what we are doing. I don't know why that thing smelled so disgusting. Ugh. I mean, those look fully coated to me. I look like a crazy person right now. Next, we're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes and we're gonna wrap these in plastic wrap and then see what happens. Huh? Uh-huh, come look. All right, and now we wait. Do you want to come be in my like clip of me waiting?
No, look at me right now.
Look at me. I don't know what to do for 10 minutes. Caroline, come get in my video for 10 minutes. I have 10 minutes to fill. Caroline. Has it been 10 minutes yet?
Yes,
Yuki's going to be in my video for 10 minutes. Look at the baby. Do I look like a crazy person right now? This is my puppy, Loki. He's such a good boy. Everyone say I love you, Loki. Everyone say I love you, Loki. Don't eat any of the chemicals. They're all dangerous. No. Yummy. This content is specifically for Killian, who asked for more Loki content. For Killian. I give the people what they want. Comment what you want to see down below. Killian wanted more Loki content. Oh, Loki didn't want more Killian content though. That's all right. High five. High five. You gotta go higher. High five. Ah, just a good baby. 10 minutes is taking so long. I'm losing it. This is how I feel like every minute of quarantine, honestly. Caroline, is 10 minutes up yet? Oh my God. Now that we are done with step 2, oh my God, it says that the solution will soften my eyebrow hair and change the elasticity. Now we're supposed to use a makeup remover pad to remove the remnants of the solution. Okay, I don't have a makeup remover pad. I'm using a tissue, sorry. So this is what we're working with right now. They are all wispy and sticking up, which is fun. Step number 4, use a micro brush to apply fixation. That is the next little lotion and potion we have here. So we are going to go ahead and apply that to our eyebrows. And it says to ensure that we apply this in the exact direction that we want our eyebrows to stay in. So we're gonna make sure that we do it perfectly, and then we have to wait another 10 minutes for that to lock and load. Does not smell as bad as solution number 1, which was disgusting, but we're gonna go ahead and apply this in the direction we want, which is obviously upwards. And then after that, we are supposed to put more cling wrap on it. This is literally just making me realize I have way more eyebrows than I originally thought I did. All right, cling wrap going back on the head. I literally feel like I'm wearing a swim cap. This takes me back to gym class in 7th grade when I broke my finger and literally got a doctor's excuse to skip swimming because I did not want to swim in the nasty pool with everyone else. And that's on public school. I mean, I might as well talk while I'm waiting. So how's everyone's quarantine been going? Anyone have any new exciting updates? What's new and exciting in my life? I have a boyfriend now, which part of me is like, ew, gross, boys. And then the other part of me is like, oh, love, cute. He posted a TikTok of me and it literally got over 600,000 views and over 110,000 likes. It's so crazy. There are so many nice comments, but then like the downside of that is that there are also a couple of mean comments and they've been hurting my feelings. And like, I'll post a picture of them right here. So sad. I don't know why people feel the need to say stuff like that, but that's kind of like just stuff that's been going on in my life right now, is people are just being very ignorant. Guys, it's 2020. Like, why are people still acting like this? Like, I just don't understand why this is happening in this day and age. Like, America is slain. I am confusion. I don't understand. Like, but whatever. I mean, like, there's literally hundreds and hundreds of nice comments and I'm literally letting like the 5 negative ones get to me, but it's still frustrating, you know. Like, if you want to see more cutesy content of us, here's his TikTok and here's my Instagram, because those are the 2 social medias that we use the most. So you can go check us out on there. But yeah. Okay, we're finally on the next step. Okay, so next we're going to use a makeup remover pad again to remove the remnants of this. It says, when removing, ensure you are swiping the same direction as the solution. Okay. Okay, that's removed, and now to wipe this stuff off. So this is what we're looking like right now. I mean, I feel like it looks pretty good, honestly, right? Like, wait, tell me why this like kind of looks good. I mean, not yet, but like it will. Like, I can see it. Like, you have to envision the future, manifesting. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, so the last step is to apply this nutrition. Okay, only the first one smelled disgusting, so I don't know what was up with that. But it says just brush in the same direction. This is going to nourish our eyebrows, bring them back to life. We love that. Give them some good ingredients so that my eyebrows hopefully don't fall out after using this. It's always sketchy buying stuff on Amazon, so like you never really know like what you're gonna get, especially with like skincare and stuff like that. Like, this stuff is like not regulated. Okay, so this is how my eyebrows look right now. It says that the next step is to then leave your eyebrows dry for 24 hours. So I'm gonna do that and I will check back in with you guys in 24 hours. Well guys, here we are. We are back 24 hours later and look at the brows. They look so good. I literally did not expect them to turn out this good. I filled them in a little bit, but other than that, these are my natural brows, how they look. Like, I like added a couple of strokes right here and at the end. Oh my god. I'm about to go have a photo shoot right now because I look so freaking cute. I would definitely recommend everyone go get this. I love it. I am going to be using it so much now. I have enough supplies to use this multiple times too. This kit was $40 and a lot of people will actually go to the salons and get their eyebrows laminated, and it costs $100 each time you go and do it. And I have enough supplies to go ahead and do it 3 or 4 times. So at the end of the day, this is saving you money. It's always nice to spend some time pampering yourself, you know, getting a massage or going to the spa or anything like that. And this is a way that you can bring the spa home to you for an affordable price. And let me know if you end up getting this kit. I definitely recommend it. I will put a link down in the description box. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!